In today's video, we are going to learn to create a component set. There are different ways to create a component set, but first of all, we are going to create a frame with a text in it. This is the text. We are going to change its width and we are going to change its height because we want it to be a perfect square. We are going to frame this selection. Then we are going to duplicate this. We are going to rename the frames as normal, hovered, and pressed. We can change the hovered state. We will change its fill. We will change its stroke and also the drop shadow. So the stroke would be 10%. We are going to select all of these with shift and then we are going to choose create component set from here. This is how we create a component set. This is one method, and again we are going to create a text. We are going to give it a width of 45, a height of 45, and again we are going to duplicate this. Before duplicating, we are going to turn it into a frame, and then we will duplicate it, and after duplicating we are going to rename the frames just like we did earlier to normal, hovered, and pressed. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to change all of these into components one by one. This is another way to create a component set. Once we have turned them into components, we are going to choose all of them using shift and then we are going to combine them as variants. So now we have different components. See, it is hovered and it is pressed, and we can also change its fill and do the same thing that we did earlier to the next one, changing its stroke to 10% and giving it a drop shadow. So these are the two ways in which we can create a component set. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video and hit the bell icon to join the notification squad. Let us know in the comments which part of the video was most helpful to you and share it with your friends. Thank you.